Thank you to those that have returned, and to those that are new, thank you for coming on by. Please consider hitting the like button, the subscribe, as well as the notification bell if you enjoyed this content. Today, we're going to go over what I had to do to replace this and clone the operating system that was on here over to the NVMe that I put on there. Now, if you'd like to see what NVMe I actually used, I'll have a description down below. Also, that link will lead you to where you could purchase it if you'd like to. Here we go. This is the computer that houses the OCZ3, a solid 3 that is. That is a pretty old SSD, and I'm surprised it's actually lasts this long. We're gonna remove the side panel here, install the NVMe, and then see if we can actually get the operating system cloned over. There are some things on this computer that we want to keep going and don't want to have to redo the operating system because it'll cause a little bit of problem. But so basically we just need to get that over to this in order to minimize problems. Oh yeah, did I mention that we may have to just redo the operating system? So after installing the NVMe, I tried a whole bunch of different things which actually got the operating system to update that was on the SSD. Well, with that being said, I still wasn't able to get Chrome to work properly, and I was not able to get the SSD cloned over to the NVMe because of all the errors that were being produced by the hard drive. So I was bound to just installing a brand new operating system on the NVMe, and that's what I did. I didn't show any of this stuff because I didn't want to bore you guys to death. So if you would have liked to see that, please let me know, because next time I'll do that within a video that I have that's a troubleshooting video. And if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, as well as the notification bell. And this is Chris saying out.